Hello watch lovers and welcome to my channel Wristwatch and Wallet. On this channel we unbox and review different budget watches, and today I have another affordable automatic mechanical watch that I bought from AliExpress. But before moving forward, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. That will help the channel to grow and I will be able to bring new watches to you. First, it's a wrist check time. Today I'm wearing a custom build that I built myself and I'm very proud of it. Let's move to today's attraction. As you can see on the box, the merchandise name Dywane Campbell is mentioned. It is a nice velvet coated box. Now let's open the box. In the box, you can see a watch, a tag, and a cushion to support the watch. Apart from this, they also provided an international warranty card which is unsigned, so I'm not sure how it's going to be useful here in Canada. So here is the watch. Now quickly unwrap this. The watch model number is 5041, and today's watch is in homage to a famous watch called Nautilus from Patek Philippe. I got this watch for Canadian $70. Now let's move to the measurement of the watch. According to the website, the case diameter of this watch is around 43.3 mm and the case height is around 13 mm. We have a stainless steel case and bracelet with a sapphire crystal. The watch has a see-through back, and back case also seems to be screwed down. We have hands and indices that seems to be lume applied. The watch is powered by a NH35 movement. Now let's see how it looks on the wrist. My wrist size is around 6.5 inches and I have to remove a few links, which is a piece of good news for people with bigger wrists. They can easily wear it without asking for extra links. That is all for today. We'll try to make a full review video after wearing it for some time. I believe you cannot measure the true capabilities of a watch without wearing it for some time. Once again, if you like the video, then please do subscribe and like. That will help the channel to grow and also might help someone to find this video. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.